is that?
Hello.
Welcome to another Dynamic Do It Yourself Diva video.
And today we are going to do another Tasty Finds.
Yep, another Tasty Finds best videos.
Okay. I'm the Dynamic Do It Yourself Diva.
Not today.
And this is
TankmanJoe.
all right.
Subscribe to me on YouTube. Link in description.
Yes. His stuff is pretty good. Anyway, today we are going to taste for our Tasty Find bootleg Takis. Bootleg Takis. I'm sorry. Anyway, no. These are Trader Joe's rolled corn tortilla chips, chili and lime flavored, aka bootleg Takis. All right. So this is it. Wow. Let's see. 9 servings in this container. 150 calories, and that's 15 chips. All right. Gluten-free. All right. Doesn't say anything about organic, so if you're into the organic.
These are unorganic.
Inorganic? Unorganic. Okay. So anyway, Trader Joe's chili and lime flavored rolled tortilla chips are spicy, irresistible. That's what they actually have there. Irresistible. All right. Little scrolls made from stone ground corn masa that is cut, rolled, and fried to a captivating crunchiness, then generously dusted with hot chili and lime flavored seasoning. Sure, they're spicy, but we didn't get too silly with the chili. We use just, okay, blah, 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 blah. They're trying to sell it to you. All right, so anyway, so that's what we're having here. And on a scale of 1 to 4, 4 meaning definitely going to get it, and a number 1 meaning a hard pass. Let's see what we have here. Ready, Tank?
Yeah.
All right.
Unlike the Takis, these don't look like they have much seasoning on them.
Well, you know, Takis have a lot of dye, that red dye, which if you're trying to be healthy and you want to provide your children with healthy alternatives to the junk that they have out there, this is good. Takis usually have a bunch of dye on it. That's why you get those red fingers, and it's gross. So this is actually, I'm looking at the ingredients. They use paprika for color, and turmeric extract for color, beta carotene, which is from carrots, for color. So they use natural ingredients for color. So, okay, you ready?
Yep.
Cheers. It's crunchy. It doesn't offend my taste buds. It doesn't overwhelm my taste buds.
These are deliciously crunchy.
Okay.
Tastes like normal Takis.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
Actually, to tell you the truth, I'm sorry. Talking with my mouth full. Sorry, Takis. These taste better than Takis because I can actually taste flavor. It doesn't taste like just hot bleh. That's what Takis taste like, just hot bleh with little red fingers and no. But this actually has a good flavor. Tastes like, honestly, like I'm having some Fritos or corn chips for those of you who don't know what Fritos are. You have some corn chips, and it does have like a little chili and lime, a very authentic Mexican flavoring, which I love. So, yeah, okay. On a scale of 1 to 4, I would give this a 4. You know, especially if you're going to have some people over, and you want to mix up what your normal, you know, snacks are from the chips and everything. This will be pretty good to have on hand. What do you think, Tank?
I give it a 5. You could taste the chili and lime on like Takis. With Takis, all you taste is a corn chip and then just heat.
You do understand that the scale is 1 to 4?
These are better than 4.
Better than a 4. Whoa, well, you heard there first, okay? On Tasty Finds, we actually went off the charts with Tank. Okay, yes, I'll give it a 4. So I guess that this will be something that I will be purchasing again, you know, hey. So anyway, a serving, 15 of these little chips, so you can see the size here. See that, you know. And, you know, it's not bad. And I think that's it. All right, so before we gross out the people who are watching this, we'll call it a day. Until next time, if you like what you saw, hey, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Check out other videos I have on the site. There's all kinds of things that I do besides taste things from Trader Joe's. You know, we need to go to another store and start tasting stuff there. How about some Whole Foods or something? So anyway, so if you like what you saw, and then check out TankmanJoe's channel.
Link in description.
The link will be in the description. Okay, and so okay, until next time. Bootleg talking.